we're doing some nice upholstery here. We are doing a number of different things. These are armrests that we're doing. Here's the original armrest. We're taking the material off of the plastic. You can see it's actually stapled on at the factory. Once it's removed, we are taking the matching upholstery and then using our staple upholstery gun, taking the old one off, installing the new one. Hank does a very good job of lining it all up, stretching it all out, and then restapling it like you would find from the factory. So this gives us our new upholstered armrest compared to the old, which is a little worn and tired, and the nice new one. So work continues with all these little details, and there are a number of pieces that have all the upholstery work in unison and look nice.